Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to go offline on your Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to go offline on your Steam account, you can do it from two ways. Either you can open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and go to the Steam's official website and log into your account over there, and after that you'll be able to go offline, or you can just open up the Steam software on your computer, as I have already installed it over here. Now in order to go offline from your Steam software on your computer, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is the Steam icon or the Steam button available for us. Click on that Steam button, and over here guys, at the third option you can see there is the go online button. That same button will be go offline if we are on the off online section. Currently my account, I had changed my account to offline, so it was still offline. Now over here you can see guys, the moment I click on the go online, I'm now online on my account, but there is the go offline button available for us. Now in order to change or go offline on your Steam account, click on that go offline button, and then your Steam account will be offline. And then this is how you go offline on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.